Let me go with the problem number 8. This is right. It's very simple one, right? Let us check out here. An old table was purchased for 180 and 20 rupees were spent on its repairs. If it was sold at a profit of 20%, the selling price of the table. So we need to find your selling price, right? And as well as profit they have given. Profit percent is 20%, right? Profit percent is 20%. Now we need to find the cost price. Cost price is equal to, it was purchased for 180 plus and repaired, so that is 20 rupees. So cost price will become 200 rupees. Now we know what is that. Selling price is equal to what? Selling price is equal to 100 plus rate of percent or profit percent that divided by 100 into cost price, right? 100 plus 20 that divided by 100 into 200, which is going to be 100 plus 20 is 120 by 100 into 200. Now you can simplify it. 100 ones are 100 twos are. So 120 into 2, which is nothing but 240. The selling price of the table is 240 rupees.